Hello guys, welcome back to Things. But for today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Cash App to GO2bank. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in order for you to transfer from Cash App to GO2bank here, you need to link your two accounts first. Now the great thing about Cash App here is you can actually link your bank or your card on your Cash App account. So to do this, you want to go and open up the Cash app, and at the top right of the screen, go and click on your profile icon. Now from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit until you see a section here that says linked banks. Go ahead and click on it. Now again, you have two options. You can either link your bank here or link a credit card or card. So in this case, just use either of those. So if you want to link your card, you could go ahead and choose your card and just enter the card details that you want to use. Now in this case, includes the debit card number, the expiration date, the 3-digit CVV at the back, as well as the zip code that is associated on your card. Now, go and click on link card, confirm a few things. Or if you want to link your bank here, you could go and choose an institution if you want. But yeah, so go ahead and select your bank here, click on continue once you've selected that. Now, from then on, what we need to do next is we just need to basically cash out. So how do you do that? So first you want to go to your home menu here for Cash App. You want to go and click on the money icon that you see at the bottom left of your screen. And once you click on it, you should see your balance. Now from here, you want to click on cash out and just indicate a few things like how much you want to basically cash out, and also which account you want to cash out to. So since we've added our bank here, you go and choose your GO2bank in that screen, and from then on, just confirm a few things and you should be good. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.